Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Friday, August the 8th. And if we take a look at the Bloomberg, the markets are all in the green. We've had some bad economic news out of Canada, with the Canadian economy losing almost 41,000 jobs in July. That's the most since COVID in January 2022. President Trump has come out with another big change. He has implemented tariffs on gold bars, which is really kind of having a pretty big impact on Switzerland because they're one of the main countries affected by this. But it's also affecting gold futures markets. So it'll see how that all plays out. It'll be interesting to watch. Canada's got some plans apparently on setting its sights on new electricity projects. We'll see what happens there. Um, that's just going to involve a ton of red tape and bureaucracy. Hopefully, the government is smart enough to be able to cut through that and reduce it, but we'll have to wait and see there. In terms of the markets, if we take a look at the futures, you can see that everything is in the green. Actually pretty surprised going into the first week of August with tariffs now coming into full effect, although not yet felt because they've only just been implemented, but they are going to start to be felt. And where we're hearing about this is we had earnings from Wendy's. Now, so Wendy's is not a stock that I follow and cover, but Wendy's cut its forward looking guidance and had a weaker than expected report saying that consumers are cutting back. So if you're seeing consumers cut back on um, fast food purchases at restaurant chains like Wendy's, I think that's a sign of what's to come in the Main Street economy as opposed to Wall Street economy. And yet, at the same time, we get great reports out yesterday from Instacart, which is obviously making a bunch of home deliveries for people. So the middle and upper class, they're doing just fine throughout this. Most of the reason because they're investing in the market, some of them following the channel. And others on the lower end of the demographic are really, really struggling. And this is where we're going to see a big divide coming. So I do expect we're going to see a pullback. Again, I don't know when it's going to happen, but I'm trying to be a little bit cautious here in protecting my capital and yours and looking for buying opportunities when the pullback does occur. Good luck in your trades today. And if you like,